No footprints. Oh, perfect. Ben and Lisa have been living out of an RV in a shipping container in their driveway while their house is being renovated. Their true passion, however, is cycling. And now with the house done, they're ready to move back in and change gears with that shipping container. Hello? Hello?
We're over here now.
Over here. You guys are moved. You're out. You're in. I don't know where you guys live
We're
anymore.
out of that nightmare.
So you guys moved out of the RV and into the house?
Yes!
So the renovation is done?
No!
Okay then.
Not even close.
My understanding was that the shipping container was for storage temporarily, and then you wanted to turn it into a bike shop, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see what's going on in there. Show
Let's
me
do
the
it.
way.
Yeah, it's right here. Here we go. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh! What is happening here?
A little bit of everything.
A little bit
Disaster.
of everything. Because there's a disco ball in here.
Oh, yeah. Well, we also like to party.
Let me get this all straightened out. You bought the house and started renovating to the point where you couldn't even live in it. So you got the RV, and you guys have been living in the RV for almost a year. You got the shipping container to keep everything and store everything while you were renovating.
True.
Yep.
And now you want to turn it into a bike
Workshop.
workshop.
Yeah, bike workshop.
So how often do you guys use your bike?
He goes biking like every week. So does she.
Every day.
Every day. You guys are biking every day. You guys are hardcore. You even have the t-shirt to show it.
Yeah, I do.
What? Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Like, this is serious.
Yeah.
Well, wouldn't it be nice if this actually looked like a bike shop or kind of could store things properly? Because I'm assuming there's a huge investment in the bikes in here.
Big investment. It's where all of our disposable income goes.
Here's what I think we should do. I think we should clear everything out. I want you guys to take your bikes and put them somewhere safe.
Yeah.
And then together we'll clear everything out of here. I'm going to get some gear unloaded from my truck. I got a bit of a plan, but this is going to be a lot to do.
Yeah.
I would like to get it done in a day. You guys might be the ones with the bicycles, but get ready for the ride of your life. Let's do this. Get the bikes out of
All
here.
right.
We got a door! Here's the plan. So we're gonna run this slat system all the way around. We'll tie it in this groove, and then the next piece overlaps. So this is what we actually hang everything in. And then I'm trying to match what you guys did on the house there, right, a little bit. You've got this sort of SDLs there as well. And then the inside is white because the inside in here is white. We're on track. Yeah, looks good.
I got this.
All right. It's a beauty. So the plan here is to have this champion generator sitting in the yard. It can power the entire workshop for you. You can have charging stations, you can run compressors, you can run a welder off this if you want to. And in case you need it,
Yes.
if the power goes out, you can use this to backup power the house. It's got the dual fuel, so if you don't want to use gasoline, which, you know, you guys have the RV and you have all that propane, it goes on gas or propane.
Will you show us?
Amazing.
how
I
it
will show
works?
you. Let's get the
Awesome.
accessory kit out.
Okay.
Get that hooked up. Propane. Ready? Bat.
Do it.
All right. Follow me. That should do it. Boom, it's a party in here. Woo! That looks good. Let's use the real door now. One of the last things I want to do for safety, for everybody's safety, is because this new workshop is right beside the house. If anything happens in here, I've got an interconnected wireless smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. That will detect anything in here and it will speak to the other one I'm installing inside the house. They will be warned. if there's any problems.
Scott.
It's still me. You guys have some kooky stuff out there.
Yes.
You guys have an incredible bike shop. It's out of this world, so I thought the helmet was appropriate.
Is it ready?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Are you ready?
Oh my God!
Let's
Yes,
go!
let's go! Come on!
Go on in!
How does this look so beautiful?
It doesn't even look like the same space.
All of the walls are slat walls, okay?
So you can move this anywhere you
You can
want.
move anything. You don't want it here? Move it over there.
This is what caught my eye. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, this
is like
is-
super pretty.
I thought a pop of color, a little bit of energy in the space.
Love
Love this
color.
blue.
And the slat backing there as well.
Yeah, I went
Very
with
cool.
I went with the brushed steel there, so just a little different, like a bit of a
Yeah.
backsplash in the work area.
Muy bueno.
Charlie, what do you think?
I love
Yes.
You love it?
Loves it.
Oh, good.
Wow.
Get out of my way.
So you can move those hooks around.
Amazing.
Pretty much you get 4 would be the max in there. You've got the workbench here, so if you need to work on any of your parts. These all lock, because I know you've got some pretty expensive stuff.
Yes.
So even, you know, if you lock them in here, that makes the life a little better.
And light coming in.
This window opens, so if you're working in here, you can crank the window open.
So beautiful.
You guys inspired us. You guys have a lot of energy, so we put a lot of energy into this, because this morning it was just a shipping container full of junk,
Yes.
steel walls. We framed this whole thing.
Yeah.
We put up the slat wall system. We
Looks
put in
so
a
good.
window. We put in a door. We put in floors. We brought
Yes.
power with a generator. We got lights.
Yes, lights.
And your disco ball is working.
Yes, it is.
Nothing left to do but party. All right, guys, take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Bye, Scott.
I don't know if I want to touch anything that's happening here. Whoa! Don't Yankee Doodle too hard there.